Hey folks, today we launched the most powerful way to link together multiple spreadsheets. Now you can connect any equals workbook to any other equals workbook. You can import any sheet just as it is on a schedule with each update held in version control. Let me show you an example of how this can be really powerful. So let's say I work in finance and I want to share department trackers with each of my department leads. So here you can see I've got my marketing department budget sheet, I've got my budget by month, I've got my headcount, T&E, learning and development, program and software spend, and then here I've got my actuals, and my actuals are all here linked up from my QuickBooks expenses, which is connected to my actual QuickBooks instance. I've got my credit card transactions connected to my Mercury account. I've got a hiring tracker that somebody fills in manually, and maybe some HubSpot data. So then we've got our actuals, budget versus actuals. And so this is something we share with the marketing team, but we've got each one of these to our sales team, our engineering team, our product teams, and this is actually quite hard for us to roll up into a consolidated view. So now let's go to our master budget rollup. Go to this tab here. This is a different equals workbook, and here you can see same thing. I've got my budget by month, and I've got it for each of the departments: marketing, sales, engineering, product, G&A, total. And then I've got my actuals as well. Now the cool thing in a budget versus actuals, the cool thing about this workbook is it's actually connected to all of the templates that I've already sent out. So let's add in marketing. So we go here to connections, we're gonna add a new sheet. And instead of connecting to one of our external data sources, what we're gonna do is connect to our internal workbooks. So here we're gonna connect to our marketing department budget sheet. And then within this workbook, we're gonna select the summary for marketing team sheet. Let's go ahead and run that query. And here we go, we get our results. This is the sheet from our marketing department template. And so we'll call this our marketing department summary. And so we can run this anytime we want to get the updated results from the marketing department's template. We can go back to our summary rollup. We could link this all up. So then we have a budget view for each one of the departments. And most importantly, this is all held in version control. So you can see here, this is every time I've run the sales department summary update, and I can go back and restore this if I need to. And so that's it. Equals as a data source. Really excited to help you build spreadsheets that connect together.